Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save data with Dropbox, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. If you don't have a Dropbox account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, click sign in and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you will see your Dropbox homepage. To upload a file, click on the upload button, usually located at the top right corner. Select Files to upload individual files or Folder to upload an entire folder. Browse your computer to find the file or folder you want to upload. Select it and click Open to begin the upload. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your Dropbox folder. To organize your files, you can create folders by clicking on New Folder. Name your folder and click Create. Drag and drop files into the newly created folder for better organization. To access your files on mobile, download the Dropbox app from your device's App Store. Open the app and sign in with your account details. You will have access to all your uploaded files directly from your mobile device. To share a file, right-click on the file and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can set permissions to allow others to view or edit the file. Click Send to share the file via email. To save data locally, right-click on the file and select Download. Choose a location on your computer to save the file. Your file will now be stored locally for offline access. That's all you need to know to start saving data with Dropbox efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.